Many people are walking around every single day without knowing their liver is quietly filling up with fat. It's called fatty liver, and it's one of the most common silent health problems today. You may not feel any pain or see any signs, but behind the scenes, your liver is struggling. That fat is slowing down your metabolism, increasing inflammation, and stealing your energy. Over time, it can open the door to diabetes, heart disease, and even early memory problems. You see, your liver is like the chemical factory of your body. It processes the food you eat, removes toxins, balances cholesterol levels, and helps keep your blood sugar steady. However, when it becomes overly fat, the entire system begins to break down. Now let me tell you this. The main problem is not oil or fat itself. The real enemy is too much sugar and refined carbohydrates. All these white breads, pastas, sodas, and sweet snacks, they flood your liver with glucose. And when your liver can't handle it, it converts that sugar into fat. Over time, the fat accumulates inside the liver, much like grease in an old engine. That's why today, 1 out of every 3 adults has some level of fatty liver, whether they are aware of it or not. So what can you do? Begin by reducing your consumption of processed foods and added sugars. Cut out the sodas, biscuits, pastries, and those so-called healthy cereals that are full of hidden sugars. Instead, fill your plate with lean proteins, fresh vegetables, high-fiber foods, and healthy fats, such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and oily fish like sardines and salmon. Add broccoli, cabbage, and garden eggs. They help your liver detox naturally. Even a cup of coffee or green tea can be beneficial when consumed in moderation. Now here's the powerful part. You can prepare a simple natural liver cleansing shot right at home with just 2 ingredients from your kitchen. You'll need fresh lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. The lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help your liver produce glutathione, your body's master detox compound. It pulls toxins and fat out of your cells and helps your body break them down. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and polyphenols that help reduce inflammation and support your liver in removing fat through bile. When you combine these two, you give your liver exactly what it needs: cleansing power and healing support. Here's how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add the juice from half a lemon, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Mix them well and drink it as a shot. Take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to stimulate your liver, or at night before bed, so your liver can continue working while you sleep. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, not every day. If the taste is too strong, chase it with some water. You'll start to feel lighter, more energized, and more refreshed. But please remember, this is not magic. If you keep eating junk food and drinking sugary drinks, this shot alone won't save you. You must also change your lifestyle. When your liver gets clean, your whole body begins to heal. Your energy returns, your metabolism improves, your digestion becomes smoother, and your risk of disease drops. So my friend, start today. Support your liver, and it will support you for life. Share this with your friends and loved ones, and let's all stay healthy together. Make it a great day and take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.